Now then, Douglas McMaster reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we're going foraging. Come on Vic, let's do this. We are going to nature. We are somewhere in East London and we're going that way to forage some Alexanders. We're down at my local Swan Lake. It's a very beautiful, bright winter's day, and you know there's an omen that if it's sunny and the swans are frisky, then you will have a great day foraging. Alexanders are spectacular. They were brought over by the Romans. They're like little bulbs of fennel. The leaves we can make ice cream from. The stems can be pickled. They're just great in salads. But the bulbs particularly is what we're chasing today, as we're going to roast them and yeah, serve them with some really funky aged butter. Woo! It's a monster. You roast them or grill them and they're just so delicious. They're so meaty, and when you grill them they caramelise incredibly. Yeah, this is one of London's best kept foraging secrets. A little bit later in the season they turn to like pollen, and you can use that pollen as where you would use fennel pollen. You can then dry that pollen into a spice. They're so productive all year round. We are back in the kitchen, and now it is time to give our Alexanders a really good wash, cleanse them of their dogweed. We're just going to separate the roots, the bulbs, so just cut along the tip of the bulb, and then the stems with the leaves attached.
This is George Egg, the snack hacker here, just interrupting your transmission to let you know that this is a completely legitimate snack. I'll have no doubters. Get foraging, cook it. It doesn't need much enhancement. It's delicious. Back to you.
It is cooking Alexander time. So here we've got the whole root to stem. We've got the roots we're going to grill. The trunks we're going to grill also. The thinner stems we're going to pickle in some elderflower vinegar. The buds we're going to cook in some cheesy butter. And then the leaves we're going to serve raw as a garnish. And the dish we're going to acidify with a little bit of Yorkshire Rhubarb. So now we're going to cook these delightful little buds in some really cheesy butter. A medium fire. So the Alexander buds are cooked when they're nice and soft in the middle. All we've done is cook them in the cheesy butter and then acidify with this fragrant elderflower vinegar. This pan sauce is dynamite. This is going to be the sauce for our dish. Just tastes like cheesy elderflower butter. The stems have been salted and then dressed in some of the elderflower vinegar. At this stage we're just going to pop this in with our rhubarb, and that is going to be this gorgeous bright little dressing to finish the dish. Take it out when it's good and grilled. Spontaneous foraging. Beautiful, textured, floral, fragrant. Soft, tender, acidic, complex, minimal, holistic, deep, trucking, delicious. That was the end of this spontaneous foraging transmission. P.S. This video is dedicated to Mr. Dan Gibeon and Mrs. Claire Storacha.